Hello and welcome to my review of Systeme. In case if you want to learn A to Z about Systeme on how to use, how to add domain, how to create landing page, order bombs, everything if you want to do from start to finish, then I have something for you. So watch this video till the end to find out what that is. So first let's start by explaining what Systeme is. It is a comprehensive all-in-one platform for building and scaling an online business in a simple word. It offers a variety of tools for marketing, sales, and customer service, including email automation, landing page, webinars, and membership sites. One of the standout features of Systeme.io is it has a drag and drop editor for creating professional looking landing page. You don't need any coding skill to use it, and it is easy to customize the design to make your brand stand out. The platform also includes a range of templates to get you started so you can create a high converting landing page in no time. In addition to landing page, Systeme offers range of email marketing tools too. You can create and send newsletter, automated email sequence, and targeted campaigns in an easy way. The platform also integrates with a variety of email service providers such as MailChimp and Aweber. Systeme.io has a built-in webinar platform which allows you to host live or automated webinars. The platform includes features like screen sharing, Q&A sessions, and the ability to offer bonus to attendees. This is a great way to engage with your audience and build trust with potential customer. One of the most popular features of Systeme.io is its membership site builder. You can easily create and manage subscription-based business with customizable plans, drip content, and integration with payment processor like Stripe and PayPal. This is a great way to monetize your online course, coaching programs, or any other types of recurring content. Overall, I think Systeme is fantastic for anyone looking to build and scale an online business. It offers a wide range of tools that you need in today's world in order to run an online business fluently. So in case if you want to learn everything from start to finish about Systeme.io, then I have given a course link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it, take that course, and you will be able to do each and everything on Systeme.io. Also, Systeme.io has a free forever plan which you can use if you don't want to pay for their premium plan, and even the free plan is absolutely awesome. I still use the free plan to run my online business. Thanks for watching my review of Systeme.io. If you have any question or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. Take care. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.